Welcome back to Harry's Tech, everyone. Today's a short clip on Samsung's upcoming AMD GPU. Exclusive from Ice Universe, it is supposed to be released in June, but is now being postponed till July, which is when we will know the performance of the AMD GPU on the Exynos and other details. And now from a report from Korea, also being reported on GSM Arena, early testing shows AMD's custom RDNA 2 graphics processor is 30% faster than the current Mali G78 GPU found on S21 Ultra with the Exynos 2100. And now the Mali G710 promises a 20% increase in performance, so that means the RDNA 2 is at least 10% better performance than the next Mali GPU, which will be on the would be on the S21 if it wasn't for AMD. But however, the AMD graphics processor has throttling issues at the moment, and apparently saw a 20% decrease in performance, and then ran another time, dropped by another 10%, so overall 30% decrease in performance. But they have got plenty of time till the S22 series launch, so I have no doubt Samsung and AMD can easily get rid of the thermal throttling issues and make an absolute great processor. Now that's it for this video. If you did like it, leave a like, subscribe. If you didn't like it, hit the thumbs down twice, leave a comment and stick around for future videos. I'm sorry it's been like 2 weeks. I haven't really had that much news or time to make videos, but I will be making more in the future. See you next time.